Right, so while Jay's messing around with his humongous turbo, which you may see...
Medium-sized turbo.
Medium-sized turbo, which you may see in an episode before this or after this. Depending on when I edit stuff, because it's all over the shop at the moment. But yeah, while he's doing that, well, actually you're cracking on with Vitten now, aren't you?
We are now, yeah.
I'm going to have a look at the steering shaft. The mock-up that we did is perfect. In that it's the perfect length. Yeah, it's got your welding on it, it must be perfect.
Yeah, you don't miss that.
But yeah, it's very much just mocked up. This is not cut correctly, not cut accurately or straight. And also we did it using a UJ that's tired and a little bit graunchy. So this is an RX-8 UJ, and I actually bought a new one, which, breathe in, was £111.
For real?
Yeah, for real. Like,
they don't think they are Toyota.
Yeah, I know. From Mazda. But yeah, I figured if I'm gonna have to modify this to be like this, I'd rather have one that's new and you know, is going to last as long as possible. Yeah.
So we can melt the bushes out of it now.
Well, yeah, I've got to basically keep that cool whilst I do any cutting and welding, which is going to be interesting. But yeah, basically got to cut that off, machine down the weld nicely, and find some way of making it slot into that properly. I've got to put that in the lathe and true that up, and then yeah, I'll probably be asking Mr. Taylor to do some fancy welding.
Then we got steering.
And then what? Then what?
Front suspension.
What else do we need? Yeah. Is that it?
Wheels.
Yeah, we got those.
Paint.
We don't got that. Jay don't got that.
No, I'm not painting anything. Throttle motors, we need to do those.
Yeah, there's still plenty to do, isn't there?
There's lots of little bits. Little bits.
Yeah.
I mean, it's basically done once it's got front wheels, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. We can just like push it in the corner and put a cover over it.
It's not Starkeys. We're not doing that. Not now. We've come too far, haven't we?
Sweet. Perfect. Still got the register there, which is why I was trying to do that so carefully with a big hammer and a fat chisel. Snugly, and that it's a little bit rough because it's a press fit from the old setup, but I'll be able to just sort that a little bit with a hand file, just to round that up a little bit, and that should go together nicely. Double, can you just
Yeah, you in the, can you just choose? You lot don't worry about this bit. Nothing happened here. Nothing to see there.
What actually happened, Jay?
Nothing. We're not replacing the steering rack at all.
Because
some threads fell out of it.
We're just touching up that one.
We just thought it might have been a little bit weak because we took too much material from around here, so we just got a new one.
Yeah.
It's nothing to do.
It's a good call. It's a good call. I mean, safety first.
Yeah. Nothing to do with the threads that fell out. Next, can you just?
Plastic, which is ideal for clamping, but
yeah, you just got to hit it hard.
That's all we have to hand. So it's pretty good fit anyway, isn't it? To be fair.
Yeah, TIG doesn't make any heat after all, does it?
No, of course it doesn't.
What you might be able to hear in the background is Colin helping on Craig's disaster chassis.
Hey, leave it alone. It's gonna be lovely, that chassis.
It's gonna be strong as now, isn't it? Oh, sorry, strong as now.
It certainly is. It's funny because it's got bracing over bracing, but underneath it, it's mint. It's just all the bracing's wasted away.
You keep telling yourself that, mate.
It has. I spend enough hours cutting the bloody thing.
We decided to do it this way because I don't want to put too much heat into the universal joint, so basically get this welded properly, and I think I'm going to send a pin through it as well, drill through it, and have an extra bit of rotational strength. Extra. Just like you and your chassis. Which is probably going to twist in half the first time you hit the throttle anyway, but you know. Say it.
Okay, happy days. Yeah. Looks like Ben will maybe sucking that, wouldn't he?
Bloody vapors.
Yeah.
She's through. as long as that bit's cool, I'm happy. Well, that's about the fanciest of fancy boys you'll ever see.
Well, I don't know about ever see, but you know.
From us!
From us, yeah, that's the disclaimer.
Yeah, we're not taking all the credit. Sam did most of the hard work on this, but yeah, we have a few hours in it, don't we?
We do.
And you know, that's definitely, it's not a new rack because you threaded a fitting either, is it?
It's not a new rack at all.
Nope.
Don't know what you're talking about.
So, on the car, get in your bed.
We've got new pipes. It's, you know, I did you a favour. You've got new pipes now, not wonky bendy ones.
It does. It does look superb.
Less wonky and bendy.
Let us make it so.
Make it one piece. Yeah. Take 7,653.
Is this it now? Is it? This is not coming back down, is it?
We keep saying it, but
this really isn't coming back down, though, is it?
no. This is the
Because I can get the steering column on, can't I?
and then I can release the engine onto it. We can move the ramp up and down and do all the jazz, and that is it. The engine is fitted. The engine mounts are painted. They've got all the bolts in. This is it.
Get in your bed.
Get in bed for life.
I'm in. You know.
I am in. Another rack.
Nothing to see here.
No racks to see. It's in. It's in. Like we said it was in last week, but now it's in.
Until the next problem.
Let's take that frame off the top so it looks
take that away so we
Yeah.
can't use it anymore and it's done.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
Well, I hope this one. Let's move this before we drop it on.
Okay.
Just about okay.
I think, yeah, it's got some weird lines on it.
Yeah, where it pushed the
Is that
paint.
the pressure?
It might be, or it might be just that the casting was a little bit rough there, but oh yeah, it's pushed it up a bit, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
Nobody's looking there.
now let's see how the exhaust comes again.
Yeah. Happy days. Okay, just going to get these back together. It's important you get the correct orientation between the UJs. So I've got to make sure I get that right. I've got to grease it, grease the splines. I've also got to press these tabs in a little bit because we had to lever them out to get this off. So just to make sure it holds again, I'll press them back in. And of course not forget the heat shield. Sorted, ready to go on. Right. In one.
Did you know what you do?
No, so that's gotta
I've done it before.
go on then, smart ass. There we go.
I mean, I'll just make it look really difficult now.
I mean, it is new, so we haven't actually tried it over the
That
splines of this one. Is that in?
That is at least in a bit. Does this
Haven't
one
made it too short now.
No? I don't know.
Yeah, that's got to be on all the way for it to be able to get on here. And don't break the clock ring.
I might. You know, we lost count last week when you went wild with it, spinning it around.
Come on, what are you missing about that?
You've made it wrong. It went on really easy before, like it was low shorter.
It
And
must
then
have
I
been.
pulled that out
Yeah.
to suit, and now,
So that's in all the way.
yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna go. Stop
Well,
messing
do you want me to rag it on or?
Yeah. As long as it's got the correct orientation.
Well, does it have a locator? It doesn't have a location on that one?
I don't think so, no. Just has to go on far enough. It will be tight, obviously. Yeah.
Well, easy as that.
Now you just got to get the bolts on.
And hope they spin.
Yeah.
Hope they turn.
Yeah, without threading.
Well, no, hope they turn without hitting the thing is what I was thinking.
Oh, that one's going to be fun to get to.
You have to get it from the top.
Yeah.
I looked at it, you can get it. So,
do that one up then.
well, we better make sure that, I mean, that is all the way in.
So that all looks pretty happy there, and then yeah, that's in its
On.
home. Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I'm genuinely happy this year. Not just pretending to be happy because we weren't quite finished, but
Yeah.
like it feels,
But you know what's going to happen? It's definitely going to have to come back out again. There'll be something wrong. We'll have done something wrong. When we're putting the headers in, manifolds in,
manifolds, England.
the engine's going to need tipping or moving or completely taking out. There's going to be something that means that this is not it. But for now,
But
it feels like,
yeah,
look!
it's a car again. We could turn the steering with the steering wheel.
Yeah. The engine is in my magic place. It has all, like, normal position things, like
Normal.
steering rack.
I don't think there's anything normal about this. But
But I am happy. Jay is happy.
yeah, I don't know if it's relief or happiness,
Yeah.
but I just feel like we've done something.
Yeah.
Because the last few weeks, it's just felt like
It's
we're
been a
just
bit torturous.
doing a massive burnout and getting nowhere. But yeah.
Without any of the fun.
Yeah.
No, absolutely brilliant. Thank you, buddy. Much
problem.
appreciated. What do you need to say to people?
Be nice.
That's it, basically. That's
Just
it.
be nice.
Well, like, subscribe, and be nice.
Yeah. Thanks
See
for
you
watching.
later.
See you next week.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.